If you want to harness the incredible power of Claude directly in your own apps and automations, you will need an Anthropic API key. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to get your API key and avoid the most common mistakes that leave people stuck. First, let's quickly understand what an API key is and why it matters. An API or Application Programming Interface key is like a password for machines. It lets your code securely talk to Anthropic's AI services without needing to log in manually. Instead of using Claude through their website, an API key lets you integrate Claude directly in your own apps, scripts, or automation tools. You can build chatbots, analyze documents, generate content, and process data all through code. This is what separates casual users from actual AI builders. Here's how you can get your API key. First, head over to console.anthropic.com. Here's something crucial to understand. Even if you already have a paid monthly Claude account, you will still need to create a separate Anthropic developer account. These are completely different systems. Once you're on the site, click Sign Up to create your account. You can choose Continue with Google for quick access or use sign up options like email, Google, or Apple, whatever works best for you. After signing up, you will need to select whether you are an individual or organization. For most people getting started, selecting individual is the right choice. Once you have completed the account setup, you will land on the main dashboard or console of your Anthropic developer account. This is your command center for all things Cloud API. Now for the main event. Look at the left side menu and navigate to Manage. Then click on API Keys. Now head over to the right and hit the Generate Key button to open the dialog box. You'll be asked to give your API key a name. I'll call mine my first key, but choose something descriptive that you'll recognize later. You can also set up different workspaces, but for most users, default workspace is perfectly fine. Click Add to generate your key. And there it is, your brand new Claude API key. Save your key immediately. This is very important. You need to save this API key somewhere safe right now. Why? Because Anthropic will only show you this once. If you lose it, you will have to generate a completely new one. Copy it and paste it in a secure node. Just make sure you save it. The second crucial step, this API key will not work unless you add credits to your account. This isn't optional. This is required for API to function. Head over to the billing in the left-hand corner, then click Buy Credits. If you're unsure where to start, I recommend you beginning with a minimum $5. Trust me, this will last way longer than you think. It's more than enough to start building your first cloud-powered apps and automations. Need to find your API key later? Simply return to the console, go to Manage, then API Keys, and you will see your created keys. You can view usage statistics, regenerate keys, or create additional ones for different projects. The most common mistakes I see people make are not saving the API key immediately after generation, forgetting to add credits before trying to use the API, confusing their regular Cloud account with the developer console. Avoid these three issues and you'll be building with Claude in no time. And there you have it. Your Anthropic API key is ready to power your Claude-enabled projects. Whether you are building chatbots, content generators, or data analysis tools, you now have everything you need to get started. What are you planning to build with Claude? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like. And if you want to see more AI and automation tutorials like this, click on the subscribe button right now and check out some of our other videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.